I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring both platforms are ready. Sign into Tradingview and log into Exness. Once logged, confirm your Exness account type, demo or live, and enable any API or third-party access options. Make sure currencies, leverage, and time zone align so chart prices and order sizes match. Mismatches cause slippage and confusion. Next, gather your Exness credentials and API key if needed, and keep two-factor authentication available. Now move to Tradingview to link a broker, or set up webhook/order routing to Exness. On Tradingview, open the trading panel and select Exness from the broker list or choose the webhook/order routing option. Once selected, authorize by entering Exness login details or pasting the API key. Follow any prompts to grant permissions. After authorization, configure order defaults: lot size, stop loss, take profit, and order type. To validate, place a small test trade or use Tradingview's paper trading to confirm orders appear correctly in Exness. If fills and sizes match, proceed to live execution. When everything is linked, execute trades directly from Tradingview charts and verify each execution in the Exness account ledger to ensure fills, sizes, and P and L match expectations. For automation, send alerts to webhooks configured to route orders into Exness and monitor latency and order status. If orders fail or prices differ, first recheck API permissions and credentials, confirm stable internet, and ensure both platforms use the same time zone and symbol mappings. One key troubleshooting tip: revoke and reissue the API key if connections remain unstable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.